I think we need people like that in our life. Only then we can grow. See, that can be a challenge. When somebody says you cannot do that, there should be someone to tell you where you are not really good at it, so that you can take it as a challenge and work out and bounce back. So that is what, we should not say that we should not have people like around us. We should always be positive to take criticism and refine ourselves and bounce back. So this is what I want to tell Yashwant.
Yashwant.
Let us not get disheartened when somebody puts us down. Thank them for that, because unless you don't have criticism in your life, you will not have that zeal to fight back. So sometimes, negative criticism is important in our lives. So that's it. Otherwise, good topic. Keep doing it. Very nice.
Ma'am, are you finding any mistakes in my presentation? Like, I feel there is a lot of mistakes in my presentation. What I feel.
Not exactly. No, not. You are presenting it well, but yes, if you feel that you are doing something wrong, that's a good sign. You are assessing yourself. You are analyzing yourself. But from our end as a teacher, what we find is that every day there is an improvement in you. So we would not like to dishearten you.
Yashwant, there are two aspects to communication. One is fluency and one is accuracy. Okay. So you are fluent because you are confident, and fluency comes out with confidence only. So you are fluent, your thought process is logical, which is fine. So accuracy will come from reading. Accuracy is related to grammar, pronunciation, and things like that. So because you are a good reader, you read a lot and you listen to, things. So that would come naturally, because even we make mistakes. Accuracy is like, because it's a foreign language, second language. So your fluency is good because you are able to present in the language. And when your accuracy, you keep fine-tuning it, it will automatically fall into place. Okay, so that will come since you're working on it consciously. It is just a matter of time. I see that happening maybe in 2-3 months. You will see a vast difference. I think by the time you pass out of college, I think you will have your language and your communication skills exactly in place, because you're conscious and you are aware that you need to develop it. Once you are aware and you're working on these two aspects, it will just fall into place. So keep reading, you keep listening also, because that's how you pick up pronunciation, grammatical structures, and then you are confident naturally. You have natural confidence, so that's an added advantage. So it will just fall into place. Okay.
Thank you.
Good.
And one more thing, Yashwant, when you have content to present, if your content is good, nitty-gritty little grammar, if it goes here and there, people are not bothered, because their focus is only on the content. What is it that you're presenting? What is the matter? What is the crux of it? That only people will be concentrating. So you read.
How logically you're able to present.
Yes. So do a lot of reading, loud reading also, and keep listening. That will automatically improve. And this is a language which is absorbed subconsciously than at a conscious level. So get exposed to as much to the language as possible. It will all fall into place.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
All the best. All the best.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.